Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the medicine, original packaging, and a bright light so you can read small print. Look immediately at the outer box and bottle neck. Manufacturers often print the expiration or batch code there. Once found, compare formats because dates may appear as DD/MM/EI, MM/EI, or YIMMDD, and some use month-year only. Make sure to note any symbols like an open jar lifespan icon. This tells you how long it is good after opening, which differs from the printed expiry. Next, you decode the printed information. If you see a lot or batch number versus a clear EXP or use by date, use the EXP. Manufacturers mark it plainly. Also inspect printed storage instructions, temperature ranges, or store below 25 degrees C, because improper storage can shorten shelf life even before the printed date. Once done, compare the expiry to your purchase and first use dates to decide if it's still safe. Medicines opened long ago may need disposal, despite a later expiry. Finish by inspecting the medicine itself. You, the viewer, should look for color shifts, odd odors, or changes in texture, because these often indicate degradation even if the date looks valid. Make sure tablets keep their coating and liquids remain clear without unusual sediment. If labels are unreadable or you suspect storage damage, don't guess. Contact a pharmacist or dispose of the product following local guidelines. Troubleshooting tip. If bottle codes are confusing, a pharmacist can decode manufacturer markings for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.